Today is the day. Today is the day that the Ducati has finally been finished after 3 years. I think it's 3 years. Yes, it is 3 years. It is 3 years, if I remember right. Yes, it was 3 years after the bike shed 2019. I came back from Florida, all geared up. Just finished up the CX500 there for Dime City Cycles. Came straight back to the CB750 Warrior. That went straight to the bike shed show 2019. That was the last show we did. And then to present day, 3 years on, bike shed show 2022. Are we 22? 21? 22. Yes, 22. Shows you what lockdown does to you. Bike shed 2022, so 3 years. Been a long process. My gosh, I would not do this process again. No chance. It's been an absolute learning curve from sculpting everything out of clay, well, out of foam first, then clay, then a fiberglass prototype from a fiberglass jelly mold, split mold, to then refining that fiberglass prototype, smoothing out, doing another cast again, another split mold, and then carbon fiber. To do that with all three parts, yeah, I wouldn't do that again. Definitely do what Zigimoto does. 3D print it out as a mold. Then that's it. Hit the jackpot then, first go. You don't need to faff about with anything, don't need to mess about with lines, symmetry in clay, nothing like that. But this has been worth it. As a learning curve and as content for you guys, it's been worth it. I think I'm absolutely broke now. The amount I've spent on this bike, I don't even want to know, but I will do a video. I will do a video of tying everything up. I will. At the moment, I don't want to know myself. No chance. But here it is. Enjoy. Right, everything is wired up now. Everything is as it needs to be. It needs a good clean, I can tell you that. It needs a good clean. Everything's there. I am running an external fuel reservoir just so that I don't have to obviously fill the tank with petrol and everything like that. The petcock is just down there so I can easily swap it out, but for the sake of carrying it to the bike shed show so things don't stink, so there's no fuel in the tank for the bike shed show, I'm just running it off here. Right, let's see how loud it is. Switch the taps on, a little bit of choke, and here we go. It's super loud. I'm talking, but I don't know if you can hear me, but it's super loud. Wow. Okay. Safe to say, my eardrums are gone. That is super loud. Holy smokes. That QD system. I'd be interested to see what it sounds like with the baffle in. That is pretty much just a straight through system. It is ridiculous. Right, let's get this outside now and clean and then job done. But that is it. The Ducati is finished. So here it is. Never again, but it's done. It's late at night. This bike will now be shown at the Bike Shed 2022. When this video goes out, it'll probably be after that, so you've missed it. But this is it. All done, finished, everything. So as a recap for what we have done, straight from the front to the back, or straight from the back to the front, we have the Ducati M600, the Monster base. So it's a 1994 Ducati Monster. 600 engine. We have stripped it all the way down, and I'll go through this as fast as we can. So stripped it all the way down to the frame, all the way down to the engine, cut the frame off at the back, got rid of the tabs and everything that was on the side, little handlebars and everything. Then, as far as the body itself, fully carbon fibre body all the way from the front to the rear. The fairing, the half fairing, and also the front fairing there, all carbon fibre. Wheels have been replaced. The original 3 spokes have now been replaced with Tagazaco XL rims, front and rear, with Dime City Cycles XS 650 hubs, front and rear. Then spacers to accommodate that. Spacers in there, adapters to fit the standard brakes on there. Then on the back, a spacer and a centre space ring here to accommodate for a custom made Yamaha XS 650 sprocket with 38 teeth on a 520 size to accommodate these hubs here. Tagazaco chain here, Avon tyres, the Trail Riders, front and rear, rebuilt calipers front and rear, QD Xbox exhaust system here. These rear sets have been shortened, custom made aluminium CNC'd cam belt covers for that, TFX Shock system, external reservoir there so you can adjust it quite easily. There's the TFX Shock over there, beautiful. Then we have, obviously like I said, custom made front fairing, 3D printed grills at the side, 3D printed grill at the front here, aftermarket mirrors, indicators on the side here, domino throttle, Adeline brake levers. Here we go, custom made headlight fairing there with its own little housing, 2 little lights inside, the Acewell gauge on the top, a custom CNC'd triple tree at the top here, Ghost for the pole, so that was custom designed by me and then CNC'd externally. Then we have this custom made tank strap across here, fits nice with this filler here. New front USD forks on those. I'm trying to think what else has been done. I'm sure I've missed more things, but that is it. Oh, seat by Holy Goat. I think that is it. If I've missed anything, truly sorry. Oh, yes, and finally, an aluminium petrol tank inside by Aluminium. That's the one I forgot. So that is all from me. It's getting dark now, but as you can see, it's done. I'm happy. Time lapse, either next week or the week after. Depends if I've got time to actually edit it all. That's a beast of a job. So until next week or the week after, take care.